Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Zooble's door icon from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the first eye with a circle on the left. Now let's move in, and from the left, let's draw a curve over to the right and down. And then a large curve underneath. Now inside, let's add the swirl pattern. Let's start with a small curve down from the top, a U-shaped curve underneath, another larger one, and then a curve down on the left. And that's it for the first eye. Now let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start next to the eye on the right, and let's draw an angled line up and out. And then follow that same angle and continue it on the left side with a small line. Then from the end, let's angle it down, back to the eye, and then continue it, angling it down on the other side. And then connect them on the right side to form a triangle shape. Now to make the head 3D, let's draw an angle from the top and from the bottom, and then connect them again with a diagonal line. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and draw the other eye. Inside the head on the right, let's draw another circle. And then draw a curved line across the center. Now inside the bottom part, let's draw a curve at the top, and then color this in black. And then let's add 3 lines underneath for the eyelashes. Next, let's hop to the top and let's draw the details. Let's start on the top left, and let's draw 2 angled lines up. And then add a circular curve at the end. Now let's hop over on the right side, and let's draw 2 angles up and out to the right. Then for the ends, let's angle it up and out. And then follow those same 2 angles again on top. And then close off the ends to form a Y shape. Now let's give it a 3D shape. From the top corner, let's angle it down, and then angle it back down towards the middle. Now from the right side, let's draw 2 angles down and out from both corners, and then connect it. Then hop down, and from the middle point, another diagonal line down, and then 2 angles along the right side. Now that we have the shape, let's move in and draw the stripes. Let's start in the center, and let's draw a triangle shape. Then in the bottom section, let's draw 2 stripes near the top, and then continue it down on the right side. And the same thing underneath. Now let's hop up to the top sections, and let's draw another set of stripes. And then underneath, we're going to angle it down. And again next to it. And then do the same thing in the last section. And now let's color all of these stripe sections in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and draw the neck. Under the head, let's start with 2 curves down. And then a curve at the bottom. Now inside the top of the neck, let's draw an angled line. And then color the small section in black. Now underneath, let's draw a curve around the base of the neck, like this. Now from the left, let's draw a curve down, stopping here. And then a curve out and down on the right. Now for the left side, let's add the wing. Let's start with a curve going up, and then curve it out from the top. Now 2 curves going down, and then 1 more back into the body. Now let's move in and add the details. Let's start inside at the top corner and let's draw a curve. Then a curve out to the point and back up. And then 1 more skinny V shape going down to the next point. And then 1 more curve back in. Now before we finish drawing the rest of the body, let's draw the shape of the door icon with a circle. Let's start with the curve on top. Then continue it down on the left and on the right. Then let's continue the curve underneath the eye down to the wing. And then from underneath the wing, let's curve it around and back up on the right. And when you're done, you should have a circle shape behind like this. Now let's move inside and let's finish drawing the body. Underneath the wing, let's draw a long angled line. And then angle it down and in from both ends. Now inside on the bottom right, let's draw the same shape. Now top over on the right and let's draw the other arm. Let's leave a small gap and we're going to draw a curve down. Then let's curve it down and out to the right from the top and the bottom. And then add some curved stripes inside. And then let's color these in black. Lastly, around the base of the arm, let's draw a curve like this. And then 1 more curve underneath the side of the body. Lastly, let's move inside and let's draw a polka dot pattern. Let's start with a curve on the top left, 1 underneath the neck, a curve above the right arm, a larger curve in the center here, 1 inside the shape on the bottom left, a small circle at the bottom, and then 1 more curve under the right arm. And that's it for Zooble's door icon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!